Good morning student, myself Manoj Chotia from Raghunath Vidyalaya, Ratangad. We are studying chemical coordination in human being. Among them we studied so many endocrine glands, and today we are discussing pancreas and adrenal glands, and then our chapter is completed. And I tell you that this chapter and reproductive system of human being, these two chapters are very important because these two chapters of 7 marks, so you have to remember them carefully or study them carefully. Now today's our gland is pancreas. Pancreas is a mixed gland, and it is a major digestive gland which secretes pancreatic juice and pancreatic juice for digestion of food. This gland is located behind stomach in between duodenum, U-shaped duodenum. It is a light yellowish or pink colored flat irregular shaped mixed gland which is 5 cm long and 85 gram in weight. The group of endocrine cells are found in connective tissue which are present between the lobes of this gland. These are called islets of Langerhans. Whenever we see the structure of pancreas or the TS of pancreas, and this is also in your practical exam, pancreatic TS of pancreas. So this part of pancreas is called endocrine part or islets of Langerhans, because these are discovered by Langerhans in 1869. And in endocrine part there are 3 types of cells: alpha cell, beta cells and delta cells. I differentiate all these cells in different part. ये जो मैंने डार्किश किया है ये आप मान लीजिए क्या है, डेल्टा सेल्स है. जिसको खाली छोड़ा है वो बीटा सेल्स है, और जिसके अंदर मैंने डॉट 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 स्ट्रक्चर बनाई है वो क्या है, अल्फा सेल्स है. और ये ब्लड कैपिलरीज है, और ये वाला जो पार्ट है वो एक्सोक्राइन पार्ट है. इसका मतलब आइसोलेट्स ऑफ लैंगरहैंस में 3 टाइप्स की सेल्स होती है: अल्फा सेल्स, बीटा सेल्स एंड डेल्टा सेल्स. एंड हार्मोन्स सीक्रेटेड बाय दीज ग्लैंड्स आर glucagon, insulin and somatostatin. Alpha cells are of medium size, about 25% in number. These cells secrete glucagon hormone, Campbell and Murlin. Campbell and Murlin. Campbell and Murlin discovered them. And glucagon hormone is secreted by alpha cell. Glycogen is converted, glycogen which is storage food material in human being, and glycogen is converted into glucose by this hormone. It promotes synthesis of glucose from fatty acid and amino acid, gluconeogenesis, and increase glucose level in blood. Just adverse effect of glucagon is done by insulin which is secreted by beta cells. The beta cells are large in size and highest in number, means these are 25% and these are 60%. Beta cells are found in pancreas about 60%. These cells secrete insulin. Insulin was obtained first of all by Banting and Best. First of all discover this by Banting and Best. Obtained from insulin was obtained from pancreas by Banting and Best first of all, and then after Abel obtained its crystal, and Sanger discovered insulin hormone. Insulin hormone is secreted by beta cells. It has opposite function of glucagon. It maintains normal level of glucose in blood. It stimulates synthesis of glycogen from glucose. ग्लूकेगॉन क्या करता है, ग्लाइकोजन से ग्लूकोज बनाता है. इंसुलिन क्या करता है, ग्लूकोज से ग्लाइकोजन बनाता है. और साथ ही ये BMR जो होती है बेसिक मेटाबॉलिक रेट, उसको भी क्या करता है, इंक्रीज करता है. इट इंक्रीज बेसल metabolic rate in cells and protein from RNA synthesis of glycogen in liver of muscles. Now last, somatostatin secreted by delta cell. These are less in number, only 10%. These cells are small in size. Somatostatin hormone is secreted by these cells, and this hormone secreted by delta cell, it acts inhibitors of insulin and glucose. ये इन दोनों का क्या है, कंट्रोलिंग हार्मोन है. सोमेटोस्टेटिन क्या करता है, कंट्रोल करता है ग्लूकोज को और इंसुलिन को. मींस इट एक्ट्स एज inhibitor for insulin and glucagon and increase duration of assimilation of digestion of food. Now the disease related with hypo and hyper secretion of this hormone. By the hypo and hyper secretion of these hormone, this disease can be happened in human being: diabetes mellitus, polyuria, polydipsia, ketosis, and by the hyper secretion, hypoglycemia. First of all, diabetes mellitus, it is also called glycosuria. The level of glucose is increases in blood by deficiency of insulin, which is called hyperglycemia, resulting into excretion of glucose, that is called glycosuria. Diabetes is also genetic in human. Second, polyuria, the amount of water increase in urine, so patient frequently faces the problem of urinations by increasing volume of urine, that is called polyuria. Polydipsia, the amount of urine discharge also increase in this disease, and dehydration occurs by this patient feels thirsty. Fourth, ketosis means incomplete degradation of fat occurs in it. The increased acetone level in leads to coma. Now by the hypersecretion, only single disease, hypoglycemia, is occurred. Glucose level in blood decrease slowly by hypersecretion of insulin. This condition is called hypoglycemia. In such condition, body cells survive more glucose from blood. Patient feel tiredness, poor vision, and cramps in body are its symptom. Now our next and last gland of this chapter, adrenal gland. Adrenal gland, a cape-like brown colored adrenal gland is located anterior end of the kidney. These are the kidney, and these are cape-like structure which is found on the above part or anterior part of the kidney, that is called adrenal gland. This gland is derived from embryonic mesoderm. This is the important thing. This gland is derived from mesoderm, embryonic mesoderm. All glands which we studied till now, that are derived from ectoderm, but adrenal gland is derived from embryonic mesoderm and ectoderm, both parts. Each gland is about 4 to 6 gram in weight. Its outer part is called cortex and inner part is called medulla. So this is the structure. A thin cover made of connective tissue is present around this gland. This gland is also known as intelligence of life in an adult person. Intelligence of life in adult person. Adrenal cortex has 3 parts: zona glandulоsa, zona fasciculosa, zona reticularis, and adrenal medulla has a only single part which is secreted 2 types of hormone, adrenaline and noradrenaline. Otherwise cortex secreted 3 types of hormone: mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid, and sex corticoids. Adrenal gland is derived from 2 embryonic parts, mesoderm and ectoderm. So its cortex part is derived from mesoderm and medulla part from ectoderm. And mesoderm cortex is divided into 3 parts: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis. Zona glomerulosa secrete mineralocorticoids, zona fasciculata secrete glucocorticoids, and zona reticularis secrete sex hormone, and medulla is derived from ectoderm and secrete 2 types of hormone, adrenaline and noradrenaline. First of all, we discuss about mineralocorticoids. This hormone regulates concentration of minerals and ions in blood and kidney. Aldosterone is the main hormone among them. Aldosterone is main hormone which is secreted by cortex or zona glandularis. This hormone increase absorption of sodium and chloride ion from nephron and excretion of potassium ion. Second, zona fasciculata secrete glucocorticoids, cortisol and cortisone. Cortisol and cortisones are its main hormone. Metabolism of carbohydrate, fats and protein. Metabolism of carbohydrate, fat and protein is controlled by these hormones. These hormones increase level of glucose, fatty acid and amino acid in blood. They induced glycogenesis, gluconeogenesis, urogenesis in liver. This inhibit formation of antibodies against infection in any tissue. So these immune suppressive. In addition of it, these are useful for water and mineral balance and for success of organ implantation. These are anti-inflammatory in nature. These are used to cure arthritis and asthma. Now third, zona reticulus, sex hormone. As you know, sex hormone are androgen, estrogen and progesterone are secreted in small amount by adrenal cortex. These hormones affect external sex organ and reproductive behavior. Hairs appear on the face of women by hypersecretion of this hormone. This disease is called hirsutism. You have to remember hirsutism. What is the hirsutism? This disease is found in female. Whenever the male sex characters are appear in female, then it is called hirsutism. Means just like braid and mustache are appear in the female. These hormones develop muscle and sex organ in male and female. Now medulla is derived from embryonic ectoderm and it secretes two types of hormone, adrenaline and noradrenaline. Adrenaline and noradrenaline has their adverse effect, means adrenaline effects and noradrenaline adverse effect. Adrenaline, this hormone helps to regulate activities of sympathetic nervous system, and this hormone stimulates unstressed muscles by which wall of blood vessels is shrinked and increase blood pressure, increasing heartbeat, broad eyes and dilation of pupil, erecting of hairs on body, more sweating, accumulated glycogen in liver concentrated in glucose then passing in blood. Adrenaline hormone prepare human body for face emergency situation which we talked earlier. Whenever emergency situations are coming to the human, then adrenaline hormone prepare to human being, and secretion of this hormone increase during mental tension, anger and fear, so that extra energy produced which helps to face emergency condition. Now noradrenaline. Noradrenaline, this hormone stimulates all the similar activities performed by adrenaline. Blood vessels are relaxed by this hormone. It does not increase heart rate and blood pressure. So adverse effect of adrenaline. There are three types of response can be created by it during adverse and emergency period. It includes behavior of fear, fight and flight. Hence the adrenal medulla is known as 3F gland, or we can say 3F gland to the adrenal gland, and adrenal gland's part of medulla is called 3F gland because its behavior of fear, fight and flight. Hence adrenal medulla is also known as 3F gland. Adrenal gland controls stress. Remember, stress, sugar, salt, metabolism and sex related process. So it is also called 4S gland. 4S gland because it behavior of it control stress, sugar and salt metabolism and sex related process. So it is also called 4S gland. 3F gland and 4S gland called noradrenaline, or we can say medulla part of adrenal gland. Now disease related hypo and hyper secretion. By the hyposecretion only single disease, addition disease is occur, and by hypersecretion Crohn's disease, Cushing disease, hirsutism or adrenal virilism and gynecomastia and oedema. These diseases are secreted by hypo and hypersecretion. First of all, we are discussing addition disease. Due to hyposecretion of adrenal cortex hormone, maximum quantity of sodium and water excretes with urine causes dehydration of body. Blood pressure become very low, skin becomes bronzing, muscles and brain of patient become weak and body temperature becomes low. Loss of appetite and nausea and nervousness in a person. At last patient may be die. The hormones of adrenal cortex act as a life saving hormone. You have to remember, ये एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन बनता है कि लाइफ सेविंग हार्मोन किस ग्लैंड से सीक्रेट होते हैं, तो एड्रिनल कोर्टेक्स से लाइफ सेविंग हार्मोन सीक्रेट होते हैं. नाउ बाय द हाइपर सीक्रेशन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल Crohn's disease. This disease is caused by excess of mineralocorticoids and it disturbs balance of sodium and potassium which causes stiffness in muscles and nerve disorder. Now causing disease, deposition of water and sodium in body of and glycogen in liver is seemed to be more in this disease. Protein catabolism is increased in this disease. Irregular growth seems be in the skin and bones, that is called causing disease. Hirsutism or adrenal virilism we discussed earlier. Now again we discuss it. When excess amount of adrenal hormones produced in male characters in female, like breed, mustache on face, heavy voice, growing dense hair on body. Its excess amount leads infertility in women also. Now gynecomastia. Due to hypersecretion of adrenal hormone seems to develop male sex organ in female. Male sex organ in female, it is called female pseudo bisexuality. Female pseudo bisexuality. Such type of girls are fertile. Breast developed also in boys in gynecomastia. And last, oedema. Oedema means blood pressure increase in this disease by increasing amount of water along with sodium in blood. It leads to swelling in the body. Due to excess of loss of potassium, the function of nerves and muscles is blocked and paralysis may be occur in this disease. So by these diseases we studied our adrenal gland, and this chapter is completed. Now chemical coordination in human and chemical coordination and in human, this chapter is complete today. Thank you for today's class. In next video we will start a new chapter. Thank you.